spring. Mm. Mm. My love, with your midnight eyes, you are the sunshine in my skies. No matter how far you may be, your heart is always here with me. I think of you both night and day, in every dream that comes my way. You're in my soul, you're in my mind. A love like yours is hard to find. Every whisper, every smile makes my world shine for a while. When you're near, my fears all fade. You're the sweetest melody ever made. You are my spring, my morning light, the brightest star in every night. I fell for you completely, it's true. Every heartbeat leads to you. Your touch, your eyes, your gentle grace, no one could ever take your place. Forevermore my heart will sing, my love, my spring. I fell in love with all you are, your tender words, your shining spark. The way you see this world so free, the way you're always there for me. Your lips, your hair, your sweet perfume, you turn the darkness into bloom. And every moment that we share feels like magic in the air. If the stars should lose their light, I'd still find you in the night. And if the world should drift away, my love for you will always stay.